Ever dreamt of a vacation that seamlessly blends breathtaking scenery with a rich tapestry of history and culture? Well, fret no more, travel enthusiasts, because nestled in the heart of the French Alps lies a hidden gem called Annecy. And it just might be the answer to your wanderlust prayers. Imagine this: crystal clear waters reflecting the snow-capped peaks that cradle the town. A charming medieval old town brimming with colourful canals and bridges, and a vibrant atmosphere that pulsates with life and energy. Sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, Annecy is the real deal. Now, France is a country overflowing with iconic destinations, from the glittering Eiffel Tower to the sun-kissed beaches of the Riviera. So, what makes Annecy stand out from this illustrious crowd? Buckle up, because we're diving into the magic that makes this alpine town a must-visit. First and foremost, Annecy boasts a natural beauty that will leave you speechless. Picture this: crystal clear Lake Annecy, nicknamed Lac d'Amour or Lake of Love, stretches majestically before you. Its turquoise water, shimmering under the sun, beckons you to explore its depths. Imagine gliding across its surface in a traditional wooden boat, the cool spray misting your face as you take in the panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. And speaking of mountains, the majestic peaks of the Alps form a dramatic backdrop to the town. Hiking enthusiasts, rejoice! Lace up your boots and embark on trails that wind through alpine meadows bursting with wildflowers, leading you to breathtaking viewpoints for picture-perfect moments. But Annecy isn't just about nature. It's a living, breathing testament to history. Wander through its labyrinthine streets, and you'll find yourself transported back in time. From the majestic Palais de Lille, once a fortress guarding the town, to the quaint canals that whisper tales of centuries past, every corner of Annecy has a story to tell. Explore the winding alleys adorned with colourful shutters, discover hidden courtyards adorned with fragrant blooms, and immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of the town's medieval heritage. Visit the Château d'Annecy, a restored castle perched atop a hill, and lose yourself in its fascinating exhibits that chronicle the town's past. Imagine yourself amidst the beauty of nature, surrounded by vibrant blooms and the gentle rustle of leaves. You spread out a blanket, unpack a delightful spread of French delicacies, and bask in the sunshine dappling through the trees. Welcome to the Jardin de l'Europe, where every picnic becomes a moment of pure bliss. The Jardin de l'Europe, nestled in the heart of Annecy, offer the perfect setting for a leisurely picnic. From families enjoying quality time together to couples stealing quiet moments, this verdant oasis is a sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation, with the tranquil waters of Lake Annecy as your backdrop and the majestic Alps towering in the distance. Every bite becomes a feast for the senses. But if you're craving a more adventurous escape, fear not, Annecy has plenty to offer. Lace up your hiking boots and venture into the rugged beauty of the surrounding mountains. From gentle strolls along picturesque trails to challenging treks that lead to panoramic viewpoints, there's a hiking experience for every level of adventurer. As you traverse the winding paths and breathe in the crisp mountain air, you'll discover a sense of freedom and exhilaration unlike any other. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a novice explorer, the trails around Annecy promise unforgettable adventures and breathtaking views at every turn. And let's not forget about the vibrant tapestry of culture woven into the fabric of this town. Annecy's streets come alive with the melody of street musicians. the aroma of local delicacies wafting from open-air markets, and the infectious energy of its festivals. Whether you're a foodie, an art enthusiast, or simply a lover of life, Annecy has something to captivate your soul. Indulge in savoury delights at the bustling markets, sip on fine wines at cosy cafes, or lose yourself in the creativity of local artisans showcased in charming boutiques. And if you're lucky enough to visit during the Annecy International Animated Film Festival, prepare to be dazzled by the magic of animation as the town transforms into a hub of cinematic wonder. So, why does Annecy shine brighter than any other destination in France? It's not just about the breathtaking scenery, the rich history, or the vibrant culture. It's the seamless blend of all these elements that creates an experience unlike any other. Annecy isn't just a place you visit. It's a feeling that stays with you long after you've bid it farewell. It's the laughter shared with newfound friends over a glass of wine, the awe-inspiring moments as you witness the sunset paint the mountains in hues of gold, and the sense of wonder as you uncover hidden gems tucked away in its charming streets. If you've enjoyed our journey through Annecy, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow adventurers. And for more travel inspiration and insights, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.